Hello Mngani. Today we are going to learn how to say please and thank you in Siswati. In Siswati, if you want to ask for something, you say ngicela. For example, if I want to ask for milk, I say ngicela lubisi. If I want to ask for water to drink, I say ngicela emanti. And if I want to ask for food, if I'm hungry, I say ngicela kudla. And then if you want to ask someone if you can play, you can say ngicela kudlala. May I please play? If you want to go with someone, you can say ngicela kuhamba nawe. Of course, if you're asking, hopefully you're saying thank you. And to say thank you, you say ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga. So if someone gives you water, you say ngiyabonga. If someone gives you candy, my sweetie, you say ngiyabonga. If someone gives you help, you say ngiyabonga. That's how you say please and thank you in Siswati.